Hey, welcome. In this short video, I want to talk about two Pos-T-Vac vacuum erection devices. And I'm looking at the Pos-T-Vac Automatic 2000, the Pos-T-Vac Automatic 3000. And the reason we're highlighting these in this particular video is it's the holiday season. And during this season, through now until the end of the year, we're offering these two products, either one of them, at 25% off the retail price. All you got to do is go to the website, put this into the shopping cart, get ready to make your purchase, and then enter the coupon code PTV. And that will automatically save you 25%. In addition to that, any order larger than $75, which each one of these qualifies for that, will get you free shipping. Now, in a moment, I want to describe the difference and similarities between these particular automatic devices. Again, the Pos-T-Vac Automatic 3000, the Pos-T-Vac Automatic 2000. Take a look. All right, let's take a moment and talk about the similarities and differences between the Pos-T-Vac Automatic 3000 and the Pos-T-Vac Automatic 2000 systems. Similarities. You will receive with each of the systems a cylinder. You will also receive a loading cone that helps you get your tension ring onto the cylinder if you need to use that. We've got some other videos on the channel that teach you how to use your loading cone. You'll also receive these bushings that come with each of the systems. The bushings are really a personal preference. We've got some other videos that teach you how to use the bushing, but it helps keep scrotal tissue from getting inside the cylinder, which can be a painful experience. So that comes both with the Pos-T-Vac Automatic 3000 and 2000. So you've got the bushings. You also receive the 5 ounces of water-based lubricant, very important part of the process. And another important part of the process is your instruction manual. Make sure you have that on hand so you can use it when you need it. Now, those are the similarities between the systems: the cylinder, the water-based lubricant, the bushings, the loading cone, the instruction manual. But what are the differences? What factors into your decision-making process? The important thing here is that the Pos-T-Vac Automatic 3000 comes with a 3-cell battery. Also includes 3 AA batteries that come with that system. The Pos-T-Vac Automatic 2000 comes with a 2-cell battery system, and it also has the 2 AA batteries that come automatically with your shipment. You'll notice that both of them have this red release button. That's, again, covered in a lot of the videos that we talk about on our channel here. Encourage you to check those out. But this helps you build the vacuum seal. And if you get a little too aggressive at the outset, you can use that button and back off without breaking the seal. So that's a big part of the learning process. Another key difference between the two systems: with the Pos-T-Vac Automatic 3000, you will receive 4 Mach tension rings. And you can see here on the inside diameter, this is the largest of the 4, this is the smallest, and then you've got 2 sizes in between. And the big question we often get is, how do I know which tension ring to start with? I always encourage men to use the largest one you can use. And if that doesn't hold that blood in the penis once you build the erection, then you move down to the next size down on the inside diameter. If that's not enough, then you got to go down to another size. So that's the Mach tension ring. And then with the Pos-T-Vac Automatic 2000, you receive ultimate tension rings. They're both Pos-T-Vac branded, but these tension rings are different. But you can see again on the inside diameter, you've got the largest of the 4, and then you've got the smallest, and these 2 are in between. And the question is, which one do I start with? Always start with the largest one, the one that provides the least amount of resistance. And if that's not enough to hold the blood in, you find that you're losing your erection, then you go to the next size down. I do want to note that with the Pos-T-Vac Automatic 3000, you get a 5-year warranty, 90-day return policy. Pos-T-Vac Automatic 2000, you receive a 5-year warranty, but a 30-day return policy. So something else to consider as you make your decision. Now listen, we don't always put videos out there to talk about sales that we're having, but this was so good, I couldn't let it pass. So I wanted to let as many people know about it as possible. Remember, enter the code PTV in the coupon code, or place a call to the number at the bottom of the screen. You can also mention it to one of our great customer care representatives, and they will give you the same discount, 25% off of either one of these, the Pos-T-Vac Automatic 3000, Pos-T-Vac Automatic 2000. And remember, any order larger than $75, free shipping. If you have questions about these devices, you can write to us at education@timmedical.com. We'll do the best we can to respond to any questions you have. And look at all the other videos on this channel. We've got Pos-T-Vac videos, at least 50 of them. that teach you how to use the devices, the accessories, troubleshoot, be successful, because that's what we want you to be, successful with your device.